Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this complete beginner series on the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. In this video, we will explore what MCP is and how it functions. Currently, every AI tool has its own proprietary method for connecting to external data. This lack of standardization means you often have to write custom glue code for every single integration. Enter MCP, or the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as the USB-C standard for AI. It provides a single, universal plug, so any compatible AI can instantly connect to your tools and data without custom code. This is the core architecture of MCP. It connects your AI application to your specific data and tools through an MCP client and an MCP server. This series focuses on building that server. Our project will be a notes and tasks server built with Node, JS, and Express. We will define tools for the AI to call, register resources it can read, and set up local execution. We will use the official TypeScript SDK to implement this. As you can see, it is a straightforward process to initialize the server and expose actions directly to any AI client. This series is designed for beginners. You only need basic JavaScript knowledge, Node, JS installed, and a code editor. Every video includes a script, downloadable project files, and CLI commands. Here is the roadmap for the foundations of the course, covering the introduction, the importance of MCP, core architecture, and the initial setup. Following the foundations, we will dive into registration, running the server, handling transports, and building clients, before wrapping up with next steps. Let's make AI more useful together. Up next, we'll take a deeper look at why MCP is becoming the standard. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.